So when you move in, so the best idea for me is a single density, a double density, and one pack of strands.
That's
Now,
a great combo.
It's such a good combo. I put the red line for me here is the single density. The blue one is the double. And then I would get, if they're leaning towards thicker hair, I would get the pack of strands in double density. If they're leaning towards thinner hair, I get because then even if you make the mistake and you place them a little too far back or the head's a little larger, then you can put your strands wherever you want in the front. Even if your wefts came up further, you can kind of salt and pepper in those strands on the sides to fix that. Or maybe you need to put a few here or here, but you can use that pack of strands to fix or alter, way more creatively alter your whole picture. Yep. So I just wanted to say a pack of strands and 2 wefts is my go-to most of the time. And then I might go down to 1 weft or some strands or all wefts or all strands. But most of the time, a single, a double, and a pack of strands.
I'll agree.
And the funny thing